There were tense scenes at the intersection of Crescent and Spanish Town roads this morning. It follows the fatal shooting of a 19-year-old man by the police. Our reporter Kelisha Williams visited the scene and now reports.
This area has been tense all morning. I'm actually at Crescent Road of Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew. And about 2 o'clock this morning, a man was shot and killed by the police. Now, this morning in response, residents mounted roadblocks, as you can see from the debris right here. But it was cleared by the police who, as you can see, they are still in the community because the area is still tense, as I said before.
No, ranking man. No, do that. Like that. Not do me that, man. Not do nothing yet, brother. You hear me? I said that, man. Ranking, listen what I said, man. Me I come in here right now, brother. Yeah. Say it. Stop all them things for me, yeah? Yeah, man, me call it back. No, boss. Tell me something. Big weekend?
No, shut our way now.
Sure, no. Alright, yo. Tell her I said, I want to talk to her, but me I rush go over Spanish Town there now, so. When the flower, they would have raised that, yeah.
Everything alright?
Not really, you know. If a big man, the man come like fry plan star. I said, take your eye off of them bun up.
Who you talking about now?
Man, you them cross over them, man. The man them go over on ranking black. Now, a whole big thing out for his jump off. Yeah, what? Me give the details when we forward, yeah?
Alright, do the
Just remember to tell people, say, all after we forward, yeah?
Alright.
Man.
Cha. You them a move.
Yo, brother, come pick me up. Yeah, man, go down the dispensary.
Yeah, I'm on location. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to report to you.
Okay. If you see anything suspicious, call Whisper.
Alright.
Yo, how are you going?
Yo, dog. You sell me out.
Yo, what you mean sell out? What you talking about?
What you mean, but you not call my name?
Yo, what you mean? Whether you come around here and beat up man thing, you know? See all man family all dead. I feel like you make a man dead, you know, brother.
That you say?
Brother, you mean if that me say? You see you come around here and come like a war you want to start.
What now? Big up yourself, you know. Careful on the street. That's the right one.
Music, man, I pray and then boy, come on, you want.
You know why so much in our world? Because it not take no time to learn. You see, if people have to go study all 4 years to know for the foolishness. So much I to in the world like that.
Kyng man, ranking tell us.
No. Me want who tell me what go on.
Nothing no go on. We just a defend we ground. You know that's something there go.
Well, me could get this straight. Wanna go over 21. Kick off with the Dan. Now the Dan get dropped. Wanna get blame. And that defend the ground. Make it make sense to me, okay? Me no get it.
Kyng, I never rocket science. It never that difficult. We just go over there go ask your name.
Go ask for your name. Over the man them place. So tell me something. Suppose some man, say from over there, come over here and just start ask for some man name. How you know that deal with it?
We would have deal with it with respect. But them never show we no respect when we go over there.
Respect? Let me tell you something, brother. Respect is not something where you demand. It's something you command. And in all honesty, that wasn't respect when you go in at the man them place, go and ask for name. Especially after in my presence, the man telling us, say leave it to him. That is a direct disrespect to the man where govern the ground.
Govern the ground, Kyng. Kyng him only own the ground. With the pony.
So hold on now. Him ever show no any level of unappreciation or disrespect with the way how no govern the ground?
Kyng man, remember where youth ranking can reason with, you know. And the man call you over and place and bust shot over with, you know, brother. Like I intimidate him and I intimidate you, you know. And when I work well with them thing there, you know.
Yeah.
Whisper. We're home before camera. So if I see anything suspicious, we'll call you.
Alright.
Alright.
Brother, I'm telling you something. You can't be wrong and strong. Plus, you must learn to take accountability for the actions. You go over the man place. Carry 2 unknown soldiers and perch them on 2 strategic position. Be a face like a war when I look. So what do you expect the man to do? Eh?
And nothing like that in a Kyng man. 2 years so we under payments. We just walk with 2 soldiers to protect ourselves. You see me?
Payments from who? Brother, it not look good. You know hand the payments from man from 21. And on walk on the general yard with two strange face. That no look good, brother. That no look good.
It only no look good if you look on it the way then, King man.
What's your style? Me and Rankin have certain business ventures where we just start, plus other business proposals in the pipeline. You see where Uno just do? Violate the whole of that. Let me tell you now what I want. If you don't know, the newest development. Them drop another one over 21. Police do the work. Uno under payments as the police informer. You see who pick up the reins now? I say Uno forget shove out. Or them a come for Uno. You see the position Uno put me a ranking in now? Here we go on now. Uno, I go see ranking, and Uno I go fix it. Oh, gentlemen, that was not a request. I mean before the day done.
Yo, brother. Man, them a move like we are some local boy it is. Or some foot soldier for them, brother. Yeah, we pass them stage a long time, brother.
Whisper, I see somebody look like Siva. And the person move really suspicious. Yeah, it look like him have a weapon too. Him they over 21.
Alright, I'm gonna check it out.
Whisper, remember say him not see your face,
Yeah, man.
Right, still in a butcher. Yeah, right, still in a brother. Go watch ya. This we fight for all our life we there in a garrison, yeah, in a brother. You see it, we have peace, you know. You see it. So youth them can get to go to school and not worry themselves. You see me? You can get for their shop same way and can play 2 box and drink 2 juice or whatever the matter is. You see me? So at the end of the day, bro, just look into it. Remember, you just want me stew that too. And then I just hear of people who want meat for butcher. People that come from out of port. So if we are going to violate said peace what we fight for, remember butcher, at this we fight for you. You see me? We have to go fix it.
Hey, bro. Can't agree if you leave this alone, you know, because I always want peace, you know. But it is. I'm not going to agree if you leave myself careless. Because I know deep down them board and nah, make that cool.
Butcher, same like how we act out our emotions and make it get the best of it. And so them attack out our emotions, them boy. But them know we not do that. You see it? I have to see where Kyng and ranking as a right now, Butcher. You see me? Because we can't go back where we come from, brother.
So I say, I'm not going to link ranking now.
Ah, man. I link ranking tomorrow. I watch what Kyng say now, man. Anyway, boss ignorant, you know. You see me? So I don't say anything. tomorrow thing that, brother.
I know anything I say, you know, brother.
Whisper. Alert. Him a crouch down and him a come in your direction.
What time?
You're 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
Hey boy!
Oi!
I hear them there.
So when I go over 21 na bitch.
Burn on me!
Police, you know what's your self-defense too.
Hey, you see where I'm turn?
Him gone to one blind spot and the camera now pick him up.
See, pack it up and report to bossy.
Alright.
Yeah, Win, so what you say, all of your links them from down that side are gone? You don't know nobody at all we could have pulled some strings for me? To get some information? No, you need to find somebody for me. Do whatever it is what you have to do to get the information for me, me need it. Yeah, man. Just get it as fast as possible and link me. Alright, cool. Me go talk to my people then. Yeah. Yes, Tonian? Alright, meet me at Willie's. Yes, no.